Hello guys, welcome to Computer Master. Today we will see how to use Replit. So Replit will be available on website as well as application. Here I am signing in the Replit from where. Interesting thing is it is declared in 2022. It is invented. So sign first of all you can click to the sign in website. So if you didn't have a login, so you can do the sign up simply. There is in bottom. You can sign up with the Google account or continue with your login credential like mail id and password. So I had previously signed up, so I'm directly doing the login. Click to the login, answer your information. So here you can see your home page, and in the left side all the credentials, all the details are available like home and all the things, so you can find here. Next thing is, once you visit this website, it looks like your Visual Studio, as you have used Visual Studio, but there is a best option that you may getting themes like multiple themes, as you can use light, dark and multiple colors, like interesting colors. If you do the coding, so if you bore with the one theme, so you can change the another, like as I'm saying you JavaScript in green color and the different colors, you can use it. The best part is in that now you can do the teams work also, like if you want to do projects with your organization or for education purpose with your friends, and you can learn all the things. Here is you find a favorite, your code with Harry. So there is 100 days of code of Python. You can also learn or different kinds of things here. So guys, the best part is you can learn plus you can code with your manner whatever you want. Okay, the next we can move it on further. The community, like as I have shown, community, it means you can connect with whatever the codes someone has done. Someone has code with this topic like JavaScript topic with Python topic, so you can connect with them also. Then the templates. What are the templates? Templates means like in which language if you want to code out Python, HTML, Node.js, CSS, C, Java, C#, Bash, all the languages are available, and all the template you can use it whatever you want. You can create your replication and use it. So I'm showing my replicate. So in my replicate, as I'm going, so here you can find that some of the projects I have made. So here is also present. I can show you how to code it. First of all, in my folder there are two projects. I can open it, reverse a string. I can show you how it will be look like. So I have coded reverse a string. Here you can find there is all the options are in left side, like extension as index.html, JavaScript and style. So previously I have done and I am running this code. Here you find the reverse of string. And if I close all the tabs, so if I run the code, it is not run, like you didn't get the UI part. So best part is you can click on the plus and open the web view. So in the web view you can find all the things. So in the upper corner you can find all the learn, tab, community and home shortcuts keys. You can directly come to here. Then the next part is I am creating one file, like as I can name it test. Okay, I can name it as test, and I'm creating one replication. So in this replica we can do one, you can see also there is a one web view on next page, and in the left side there is a coding. So you can do your coding, like I'm showing my first page. So I'm running it, so it is running my first page, right? So as of now I am doing one more shortcut, like I am creating one button tag with the name of done. Okay, so here I have created one button with the type button, and I can use it one on click event. Okay, so guys, I am using on click event with the JS, but I am already automatically it's created, so JS script, so I can directly code in the JS. So I am creating function my function, and in on alert, the alert should be thank you. Okay, thank you. So the alert should be begin, and automatically if I go to the index.html page, so here the script tag is automatically attached. Okay, so as you can see in the bottom, script.js, only I can click on my function. Once I click on done, the alert will be shown. So whatever you can code in index.html, it will be begin. Next thing is I'm going to the home page. Here you can see my channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.